What I've got for you today are the Diablo hole saw system and mandrel setup. So what we've got here is a carbide tipped hole saw. It's going to be good through stainless steel, cast iron, thick metals, nails with wood, clean wood, whatever you really need it for. We've got it for you. Now, something cool about the Diablo hole saws that you won't see on competitor hole saws is our snap lock system. Instead of having an arbor that you gotta take the Allen key, undo it every time, and put a new hole saw on, ours is on the snap lock system. So what you do is you just snap it on there, drill your hole, pop it off. You can switch to a larger size right here. This one is a universal mandrel system, so it's gonna actually fit any size hole saw that we offer. All of our mandrels do come with these two nuts down here. Now, these are adapter nuts. If you have hole saws that are good from competitors, you can take these nuts, screw it into your hole saw, and still use our system if you like the snap lock. Another good feature that we got for you is a 30% deeper cup. So as you can see, these guys are a lot longer. It's gonna allow you to go through a top plate and a 2x without having to flip it over. Or if you've got it up against the wall, you don't have to worry about going back behind it. You can just get all the way through with one push. We also have larger vents on the side. So if you do have that plug in there, it's stuck in there, it's kind of a pain to use the key or use a smaller screwdriver to get it out, you can walk it up the side with just our pilot bit, or you can pop it out through the back. So we've got large enough holes to fit every single thing in there. Now here's the stainless steel right here. As you can see, it's pretty thick. So we'll go ahead and cut through it. So as you see, it's very, very easy. Now you have your plug in here. Most of the time you can just pop it off just like that, knock it out. Easy and simple. Here's your finished piece. Very, very good, very clean hole there.